What's up, guys? Josh from Vape Taylor here, back with another e-juice review. How was New Year's, guys? My New Year's was boring as fuck. I didn't do a damn thing. No drinking involved for me. I just kind of stayed home and chilled out. Hung out with a good friend of mine. We caught up on a little bit of stuff that we've been talking about, and we played a little bit of zombies. It was fun. Call of Duty zombies. New zombies that we got. It's a pretty fun game. But anyway, today, guys, we have Mods by Corey. This is the bottle. This is a 50 ml bottle right here. Tells you 3 milligram nicotine. More warning stuff. The little Buddha symbol here. Because the line is actually called Nectar of the Mods. I have other juices for them. I have this 120 of VC Vendetta. I have this SB Sanctuary. Strawberry Sanctuary. Snicker Sticks. Snickers. That's pretty cool. Melons of Era. Melons of Era. Just melon blend. And then Watermelon Wonder, which is watermelon. Cool. I'm not doing any of those right now. Fuck all those. We're sticking on New York Nightmare, which is what we got today. So, guys, New York Nightmare is real simple. Let me read you the description. New York Nightmare says, this vape will throw you right into Manhattan. Freshly baked New York-style vanilla bean cheesecake, laid upon with a graham cracker crust right out of the oven, with strawberry drizzle. That sounds great. So it's a vanilla bean ice cream cheesecake? That's pretty cool. So vanilla and cheesecake and graham crackers and strawberries. That's what we're looking for. So let's get into the vapor production. By the way, this is Max VG. So like 80, 20 or something like that. Not too bad. I'm going to give that 3.5 out of 5. Vapor production is not too bad at all. Lingers around. Stays for a while and smells pretty damn good. Let's get into the throw hit though. Now guys, I'm a little disappointed with the throw hit on this. I felt like it was just like, because I first got it, and whatever. I got it priority shipped and everything like that. Me and him have talked before. It's rough. It's super strong. And throw hit. Like, it hits me real hard, and it hurts like hell. If it's like your first vape of the day, it hurts like a bitch to hit this juice, I'm going to be honest. And I felt the same with the others. At least some of them. It's tolerable compared to the rest, though. I'll say that. This is tolerable, and I can handle it. Just take like a couple vapes out of it, your throat gets used to the hit, and it's nice after that. I mean, it's pretty good. As for the flavor, though, I love the flavor of this juice. And that's what kept me on the juice, I'll be honest. When I first hit it, I was like, oh, throat hit, crazy, but, flavor. It's a really great flavor, guys. I love this juice. I was just grabbing this real quick to talk to you guys about this later. But, yeah, the initial throat hit is just like a smooth, buttery cheesecake. And then as it goes along, the exhale becomes like, you know, a really rich, nice graham cracker, and then it finishes with an awesome vanilla bean. So this is great. You know, this is to the dot exactly what it's supposed to be, which is awesome. I'm really impressed with that. And I mean, it's not basic, by no means basic. You know, like I like what he did with this flavor. So the guy who makes this juice is Corey Kilheeney. That is his name, and his juice makers are Matt Yost and James Weber. I think it was James Weaver. James Weaver is his name. Sorry. Apparently, those are the juice makers. They have like a little background story on their website. Pretty much like, you know, the same thing as everyone else. You know, they couldn't afford vaping supplies and stuff like that. But they also have this very interesting thing on their website. I'm not exactly sure about it. I haven't talked to him about it. I don't know if he's still even doing it anymore. But it's a really awesome thing I read on his website and his about page that says that you can turn in mods or any vape gear equipment and stuff like that, and you can refund them, so to speak, and get some money for it. He does like refunding of vape stuff, so that's really interesting. I highly recommend you guys check it out. He's got a website. It's modsbycorey.com. Also has a Facebook page and a Facebook group. I'm in his Facebook group, so I check all the stuff that he does and everything like that. You know, he does a lot of offers, a lot of deals. Like, you know, there's, you know, price off of the juice all the time. He does like price off of you know, equipment. He does giveaways, lots of giveaways. So I would definitely check these guys out. I have a lot of other juices coming in to talk to you about. This is, like I said, coming off of his Nectar of the Mods line. The only juice that I don't have is Pineapple Paradise, so I can't do a review on that one. Sorry, guys. Maybe I will. You know, it's $10 to get a 50 mil, so I might just grab it just to finish off these reviews for you guys. But I mean, so far, I'm at a medium with this juice, you know. But that's about all I gotta say. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down. Vape it hard, guys.